everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. If you remember my challenge cards, which I think I have another sheet of, I'll show you from my kit, plus it is a freebie. We're gonna do another quick challenge, and I cut them up and I just have them lying here and I mix them all up. They're upside down, and I thought we'd just have fun and do another challenge. Because tonight is crafts and games, and so I'm just going to pick this one. We're going to play with it. It says, add a winter word or phrase as a focal point on a tag or pocket or journaling card. Well, really, that's pretty easy. And so in one simple thing, I worked on some background pages with texture, but I didn't add anything to the some of them. So maybe we could add a word here or a phrase. So let's grab some of the words I have left over. Let's do mountains. I love that. So this word is on my word sheet for this kit, and we're just gonna put some ink around the edges of it, and we'll add a little cheesecloth in the background. I've got it some right here that I've cut already. And we'll add a chilly word to this envelope. So we'll just put this right here. And it's fun to kind of do these in set, you know, kind of like assembly line or pieces, because you don't have to do everything all at once. And it's fun for making your junk journals. So like I could add more to this, but I'm going to leave it for now, adding the chilly word from challenge 6. So that's what I did. Thanks for watching.